Hello everyone, and welcome to this quick guide on how to add agentic capabilities to your O11 applications. So if you are interested in this topic, stay with me and let's get started. In our previous video, we used the issue tracker application and then created an ODC agent that gets data from this O11 application and assigns tickets to support assistants. Today, we will get a step further and trigger that ODC agent from our O11 app. So the first thing we need to do, and since O11 applications cannot reference directly ODC service actions, is creating a REST API that will act as a wrapper. This API will receive the prompt, trigger the service action, and then return the response. Okay, so let's go to our issue distributor agent. And let's create a REST API and call it Issue Agent API. And then add an API method and call it Ask Issue Agent. This method will trigger the AgentFlow. So let's double click on it and drag the AgentFlow. You can have your prompt in a dynamic way by input parameter, for example, to get your input from your O11 application. But in my case, I will keep it simple and just copy-paste my request to the agent. Regarding the session ID, I could use a grid, but for demo purpose, I will just use current datetime. And now, we are ready to consume this REST API in our O11 application. So I will go ahead and open Issue Tracker on Service Studio. Go to REST, consume REST API, add single method, copy my endpoint, click Save, and then I will just adjust the names. I will call it Issue Agent API. And for the method, I will call it Ask Agent. Okay, now I will go to timers and add my timer. I will call it Assign Tickets. And the action will be the method from my REST API, the Ask Agent. Select and done. I will schedule the timer to run every day at midnight, and we are ready to publish. And now that my timer is published, it's time to test it and see if it is working. For that, I will be using Service Center, but first I will check if I have unassigned tickets. We have, okay. We have a few, so let's go to Service Center, Factory, Issue Tracker, select the module Issue Tracker, timers, and then I will run my timer manually. So we will need to wait a few seconds for the timer to finish running, and after that we will go back to our issue tracker application, refresh the page, and here we go. All the tickets that were not assigned are now assigned to support assistant. And that's it. As you can see, adding agentic capabilities to your O11 applications is very simple. So feel free to try it by yourself and give us your feedback.